taught you. Even small, half a point move, 1 point move, and that's so much more realistic. I talk about realistic expectations, and you need to understand that because SPY does not move 10 points every single day, but you can be assured that SPY can move half a point and 1 point every single day, and you need to learn a particular way to extract profits. Even if SPY doesn't move, if SPY moves 1 point, you have a way to find profits in the charts, and it's not modest profits. I've shown you 100% profits. You still can do that, all because you're able to understand how to be identifying the algorithms and structure in the charts. So please, as we prepare for the final week of August and as we start September to the end of the year, you have to recenter and recalibrate yourself. Some of you still have a gambling heart. Some of you are still trading this with the wrong expectations, with the wrong objective, and this is why you cannot find success, because you're aiming for the wrong goal. Some of you living in fantasy land. And when I say realistic expectations, it doesn't mean to lower your expectations. Because what are the chances you think you can make $10,000 a day? And you see, my realistic expectation is to raise the bar for you, to remind you that the reason why you want to do this is so you can take a trade with 200 contracts. And within one trade, you can make $10,000 every single day for the rest of your life if you want to, if you're up to it. Now, is that realistic? So there are two ways to look at this. Some of you, you're thinking, I only want to make $100 a day. I show you that the realistic possibilities, you can make 10K a day. But there are rules that you have to follow. There are systems that you have to put in place. There are risk management that you have to put in place. And it is a long process, as I tell you, because this is a lifetime skill you're going to take time to learn. And on the other hand, some of you have unrealistic expectations that SPY will move 10 points a day. And I'm telling you, you need to lower your expectations because this is fantasy land. You are addicted to the big moves. You are addicted to the hype. You are addicted to some type of dopamine hit. Instead of having a realistic expectations that SPY can move 0.5 to 1 point and you can still make excellent profits from there. So I want you to recenter your expectations both ways. Some of it you have to lower your expectations and some of it you have to heighten your expectations. And at the end of the day, you consolidate your objective, your thoughts. You know where you have to go. You know how to get there. You know who you can bring along. And most importantly, you know why you want to get there. And when you have the why, you will make it happen. You will find all sorts of reasons. You will muster all sorts of strength and courage in order to get it done. Trust me, you will do everything it takes once you're able to achieve this. Now, so stay focused. I want you to stay focused this final week of August. If it requires you not to trade, so be it. Recenter yourself, recalibrate yourself, and let's get ready for September because we have big plans ahead till the end of the year. And you have to promise me, whether you're a member, just a YouTube viewer, whatever it is, let's wrap up the year strong and let's sprint the final lap strong. Now, my ex-boss used to tell me how to differentiate the winners and losers. And this has stuck with me for life because it tells me it's not about how fast you are or how strong you start, but the winners will always end strongly. And it's just like a race. You will notice the people without a winning mentality, when they near the end of the race, they will slow down. But the winners, when they near the end of the race, they will speed up. They will give everything that's left in their tank just to finish the race. And this has stuck with me for a long time. Because if you pay attention to the people around you, and you will see this for yourself, those with a winning mentality will speed up at the end of the race, even though they're winning. So you have to end this year strong. You have to promise me with that. Promise me, end this year strong. Do whatever it takes. You know what you need to do. And you have to focus. And you need to know that there's someone here rooting for you, rooting for your success. That even if I'm unwell, I will check in as much as I can. I need to make sure that we wrap up the year strong. You've committed to something to me at the start of the year, isn't it? You've committed your success to me. Now you have to follow through and make sure you wrap up and finish strong. It's about learning this skill, this lifetime skill, so you can do this for